Meet Eilik, a little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Eilik comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Ooh, don't touch his back when he's upset, or Eilik will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Eilik is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. Eilik is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Eilik wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Eiliks together to start the magic moment.
Voila. Okay. Cheers! Okay. Oh no!
Not enough? How about this?
This is HUENIT, an AI camera and modular robot arm, 3D printer, laser, pen holder, suction, and AI camera. HUENIT is the only robot arm for creative makers. HUENIT's AI camera detects and recognizes objects in real time. The recognized objects can also be moved with the suction tool. Tools are easy to remove. Use the laser tool on whatever material you want. And that's not all. HUENIT can even replace its tools by itself. Okay? Let's continue with our work. The auto leveling for 3D printing. It levels the printing bed easily. Create any 3D object you can imagine with the 3D printer module. You'll turn into an amazing artist with the pen holder module. Enjoy drawing cool calligraphy and artwork. Keep your creativity flowing with the customized tool. There's nothing you can't do with the Creator module. The ways in which you can use the Creator tool is almost limitless. HUENIT decides on its own. It networks with you. The touch display makes controlling it simple. And our software makes all the HUENIT's functions convenient and practical. Extreme strength, wide working range, quick speed, and high precision. All your ideas can become reality with HUENIT.
Green light. Red light.
It's not how hard you work, it's the tool and skill you use to achieve more with less effort. Yet, procrastination steals your chance. What if you have a laser-sharp focus? Clip FOCI to your waist to power up. Read emotion records to find out how well you do. Earn awesome productivity reports when you work. Stay ahead. Get timely distraction alerts to stay productive. Take the shortcut. Upgrade your executive functions with the most advanced biofeedback training technology. Gain the skills to tune out distraction, control procrastination, sustain longer focus and peak mental performance to give yourself the extraordinary edge in career and grades. Work smart.